In this video, I will guide you how to create screenshot for your all iPhones devices and all iPad devices. So let's get started the video.
So first of all, you have to open your project in Android Studio or Visual Studio, okay, and then you have to run command flutter pubget. I'm using flutter, and okay, so everything is installed. Then you have to go to Xcode, and you have to open your project in the Xcode, and then from top menu, you have to select any device that you want to capture device. So I am capturing for iPhone 16. I will click here, and then I will hit this button, build button. So here you see iPhone 16 is launched, and it's saying attach it to runner on our iPhone 16 Pro. So we have to wait for that. It depends upon your project size, like how much bigger is your project. So we have to wait for until this will be ready. Here you see our app has been launched. So to capture the screenshot, you have to use any tool. You can simply click here to capture this. So I'm going to capture entire mobile screen, and then I am exporting it from PNG and removing the background. So I will click here and capture area, then I will select this area because I am exporting it with, here you will see a save option, and I will save it in desktop. So I will go over there, document, and then I will move to desktop, here the desktop, and select this folder, and my image has been saved there. So you have to save all the images, and then you can export it, and then you can give it to your designer or anything, and they will export it according to the Apple sizes that we will do in the next video. For this video, that's it. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.